We thank God that our father, our leader, the orator, the frank talker has gone. And it was celebrated in Lagos, in Abuja, in Port Harcourt, in Bayelsa, and the Delta. We as a Jaw people and as Niger Delta people, we've lost a gem, a true gem, an icon, a man you can rely on, an umbrella, and a man who is brutally frank. We are grateful to God for peaceful burial, no accident, no death, but the crowd was massive. Maybe let me use the opportunity to thank all the leaders that emerged, that came for the burial, both in Port Harcourt and Abuja and Yedegwa and Kiagbado. Don't worry. Well, he has gone. There's nothing we can do. He lived well. Like he said, he has been in the departure lounge for quite some time, waiting for his plane to arrive. He has gotten his boarding pass long time ago. So he was waiting at the departure lounge so that when the plane arrived, he will go. So the plane came on the 17th and peacefully he left. As to who will replace him, the person will come naturally, the way he also emerged after Brie. I'll give you a story, which he told me. He said, one morning, early morning, around 6 o'clock, somebody came, was banging at his door. And he asked, who is the person? When they told him that a man put on George, he had no shoe in his leg, and was putting it in him. He said, let him in. So the man came, it was the chairman of the Ijaw community. So he came down, he asked me to come down, he came down. The man was carrying the bottle of Goti gin. The man asked him to bring also a gin to pour the drink. After he used his own gin to pour and was libating. After the libation, he took his own and also the drink and he poured some. I told him, look, my time is ripe, I will leave. When I leave, you will take over. You will wait for Birie to go. When Birie goes, you will take over. He laughed over it, he didn't take it serious. The man left. 2 days after the man died. And they went to London. When Birie died and buried was not in town, it was in London. But the moment Birie was buried, he became restless. And he came. When he came, Graham Douglas handed over the mantle of leadership to him. And that is how he emerged. So he said, you don't bother about who will take over. When the time comes, after you bury me, the bird in me will fly out. I will perch on somebody, on the right person, and that person will take over the leadership. We have leaders after him today. We have the co-chairman King Adiete Spiff and the Obangata, the former governor of Akwa Ibom, who are the co-chairman of PANDEF. We also have the national chairman of PANDEF, Ambassador Gali, a seasoned diplomat and the former super permanent secretary. They're all there. But like I said, don't look at the men. That bed will emerge, will perch on somebody, and the person will take over. By action, you will know that is a person. So we believe strongly, personally I believe that somebody else will emerge. Maybe stronger than him or will play his own role the way Clark played, or even better than Clark.